the first example, we are not going to take any notice of this 20. We're just going to times by the 1. So 1 times 2 is? 1 times 2
is 2.
2, thank you.
Yay!
Okay. Now we're going to do 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is? 4. So that shouldn't be taxing your brain that much. So we've done our 1 times. Now this is where a lot of people are getting confused. This 2 is not a 2. What is it?
It's 20.
It's a 20. So what do we need to put in to show that it's in the tens column?
A 0.
A 0. I must put a 0 in the next line. Okay? That tells me that I'm working with tens. Now I'm going to do the 2 times each of them. 2 times 2?
4.
4. 2 times 4? 8. So I've dealt with the 2 times now. So I've done the 1s, I've done the tens column. That's all there is. So I'm ready to add my answers together. You guys are fine at adding. We've done this before. That's going to give me a 2, an 8, and 8. If you got 882, well done.
Yeah.
All right, next one. Still another example to go. The next one, which number am I going to times by first? Chad, which number am I going to times by first? Chad, I want you to tell me the answer. Do I times by the 4 or the 3 first?
3.
Chad, are you paying attention?
Yeah, I am. I'm trying to figure out the answer.
We want to times by the units one first. Which one's in the unit spot?
Where
The
8
4 or the 3?
3.
The 3 is in the unit spot. Okay? You are going to multiply by the units one first, which in this case is the 3. Now, we know 3 times 5, don't we? What's 3 times 5? 15. Well done. Now, 15 doesn't fit in one spot. So remember what happens when we've got a 15. We put the 5 down the bottom.
And then you put the 1 up.
The 1's going to go up the top. Excellent remembering. Now I'm going to do 3 times 8. What's 3 8s? Well, I'm going to do this fast. 24. Well done.
25.
I've got an extra 1.
25.
So it's going to be 25. Now there's no more numbers to add extra things to, so I write the 25 down here. Okay?
Put a 0 down.
You're
Put a
too
0
fast
down
for me.
before
We
it.
are going to put a 0. Why?
Because
You're
you're in the 10.
You're in the tens column. Well done. Okay, 4 times 5.
20.
20. That's not what you're supposed to be doing. 4 times 5 is 20. I can't write 20 here. What do I do?
Put the 0 down and then put the 20.
2 up the top. Well done. What is 4 times 8?
You should make sure that you don't get confused, so you put it on the
32.
bottom half of the
Is that what you did to make
34.
sure? That's a good idea.
It's 34.
4 8s of 32, and you've already added the extra 2, which is 34. So Elijah suggested that sometimes we've got 2 numbers here, it can get a bit confusing. He suggested that maybe you could write the 2 down here. That's a good idea. Or you can just scribble out the 1 so that you know that you're not using that one. Alright, so you need to have some way of making sure you don't get yourself confused.
Yeah, but if you scribble out the 1, if you try and redo your answer, you could.
That's true. So your method's a great idea. Okay? So 4 8s of 32, 2 more was 34. I now need to add them all together.
3,600.
So starting from here, 5, 6, 3. 3,655. Did anyone actually get that?
Yes.
A few people. Oh, you guys are brilliant. Well done. That's enough multiplication for today.
Yeah.